Is your local workforce prepared for the fourth industrial revolution? In order to fill the current skills gap, new and current employees must have a strong understanding of smart sensors, big data, network security, and more IIoT applications. Amatrol's Smart Factory learning system combines critical Industry 4.0 training using real-world industrial components and thorough e-learning curriculum. This Amatrol system utilizes smart sensors and smart product ID components throughout a fully automated line in order to gather real-time data. This allows learners to not only see how everything is connected, but also practice hands-on Industry 4.0 skills. Amatrol's Smart Factory system utilizes a FANUC robot so that learners can gain real-world robot programming and operation experience. This Smart Factory system also features hands-on training for managed and unmanaged Ethernet switches, wireless communication, and network security, as well as software for tracking cloud-based maintenance communications, production control, scheduling, and monitoring. This state-of-the-art training system is a perfect solution for upskilling current employees or preparing future members of the workforce for Industry 4.0.